This video is all about trigonometric identity applications. Now we are given tan theta equal to A all over B, and A is acute angle. Theta is acute angle. Find the value of A. A cos theta minus B sin theta divided by A cos theta plus B sin theta. Then B cos theta minus A sin theta divided by B cos theta plus A sin theta. Now let's begin. So the first one is A, which is A cos theta minus B sin theta divided by A cos theta plus B sin theta. Now, what we're going to do is that we divide both the numerator and the denominator by cos. So we now have A cos theta divided by cos theta minus B sin theta divided by cos theta all over A cos theta divided by cos theta plus B sin theta divided by cos theta. Now, applying one of the trigonometric identity, where you say tan theta is equal to sin theta all over cos theta. So now, if you substitute that, here will cancel out. You now have A minus B tan theta divided by A plus B tan theta. So you have here sin divided by cos theta, sin theta over cos theta, which is this, which is the same thing as tan. So I just replace it there. Now we know the value of tan theta to be equal to A all over B. Let's see, is A all over B. Now that means we will substitute this A all over B into this equation. So you now have A minus B into A all over B divided by A plus B into A all over B. So this cancels this. You have A minus A all over B cancels B. You now have A plus B. A plus A, sorry. This is equal to what? 0. So that means the answer to this is equal to 0. Let's look at the B part. So B part is equal to B cos theta minus A sin theta divided by B cos theta minus A sin theta. Let me see. Let's see. That is it. B. Okay. So what we're going to do, we do the same thing. Divide the numerator and the denominator by cos theta. So we have B cos theta divided by cos theta minus A sin theta divided by cos theta all divided by B cos theta divided by cos theta. This is plus, sorry, plus A sin theta divided by cos theta. So this will cancel out. We now have B minus A times tan theta divided by B plus A tan theta. Now, since tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta, now we know that tan theta is equal to A all over B. So substituting A all over B for tan theta here, you have B minus A into A all over B all divided by B plus A into A divided by B. So you now have B minus A times A, you have minus A square all over B all divided by B plus A times A, you have A square all over B. Now This b is the same thing as saying b times b all over b minus a square all over b all divided by the here this b is same thing as b times b divided by b plus a square divided by b. So what I did here is to make the denominator the same. So b times b is equal to b square. Now, since the denominators are the same, I'll add the numerators. So I will now have b square minus a square divided by b, all divided by this one now is b square plus a square divided by what? All divided by b. So this is the same thing as saying b square minus a square all over b times b all over b square plus a square. This b will cancel out this. You now have b square minus a square all over b square plus a square. So this is the final answer. Thank you for watching till the end. Have a nice day. Please subscribe, like, share, and also on the comment section, please put up your comments. I'm using this medium to also appreciate my subscribers, both old and new, and also my viewers.